Let's go.
Magulo sa atin, huwag mong ayawa.
Alex, how you drive? It's like Paul Walker.
Michael de la Cruz.
Last na guys, check engine fan. Pupet.
Eh, nasa.
Yan, pinahan mo. Yan.
Ayoko.
Oops. Let's go. Yeah, I like this. Top gear.
No problem, don't worry.
I like that.
Are we safe, sir?
Don't worry, I'll take care.
Wow.
Thank you so much, sir.
Because I have 3 kids in the Philippines.
3 kids in the Philippines.
Yeah.
I want to see my baby.
Kanina hindi ako naiihi, parang naiihi
I wanna be a
ako.
cover up.
What?
I wanna be a cover up.
Oh, magazine. Hilig dito sa mga song ano.
Sir.
Dito na yung ano kapagpalit ng damit.
Siya si Mr. Lee Xiong Manor.
Nishong Manor.
Yeah.
Still, it's yung mapa. Para tayo pumunta pa na ng ano? Probinsya.
Oo, ano?
Pabalik tayo
Laguna.
airport.
Laguna, no?
Laguna, ganun sir.
Para
Enchanted.
tayo ng-
Yeah, Disneyland. Ayun na, Disneyland Resort.
Yeah, this is
Oh, it's 300 meters.
300 meters na lang.
Tama na muna.
we are faster than your fan.
Mas mabilis daw tayo sa kanila.
Yes, definitely.
I think so.
Today is the rainy day, therefore I cannot drive too fast. Slowly.
This one is slow.
Nakakainis, Sir Paul.
Ang lupit mo ah.
Yeah, today's rainy day, therefore I need to drive slowly.
Oh my
This
God.
is slowly ah.
This is your slow?
Pero in fairness, Sir Paul, wala pa 100 yung ano niya. Pero yung takbo natin parang ano
Parang
na yun, no?
umuwi yung kaluluwa natin. No? Parang dito pa lang nagra-rides na tayo.
Normally it's around 150.
Oh!
Wow!
Pero 94 lang
Just
yung ano niya.
Anong mga electric car to?
Ha?
Kung hybrid to.
This one.
Sir Paul, tanong mo daw kung hybrid yung car niya.
This is hybrid, electric. This is electric.
Sorry?
This is electric car.
Yeah, electric.
Wow!
Kaya pala ganun yung
Nabangan mo,
haba.
Sir
No,
Paul.
it's a two. Electric
Hybrid,
and,
hybrid.
electric and gas.
Hybrid.
Wow, parang ano,
Hybrid,
hybrid.
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 Semi-hybrid. Alis to sa
This car is not too fast. Normally around 160, you cannot faster than this.
Hanggang 160 lang yung top speed. 160 top speed.
But in Hong Kong, it's enough.
What brand is this?
Toyota.
Toyota, Suzuki,
Toyota.
Toyota.
This is Toyota ba?
But this test is maybe more comfortable
Yes.
from the old one, the old one.
Sino mo muna magbabayad?
This road you cannot go fast
OMG.
because you see this road.
Magkaano na?
OMB.
Disneyland!
This is our Hong Kong Disneyland.
Very easy.